Guess the Gibberish Instagram filter. In this video you'll learn how to get Guess the Gibberish Instagram filter, and it's super easy. People actually like guessing. Check the statistic right here. According to the guessing business, the US gambling revenue by category, the total revenue in 2018 was over $160 billion for guessing. And all I want is for you to absolutely annihilate the like button because it really helps me out. And if you want to grow on Instagram, you can definitely subscribe as well. And there's a special treat in the end because you deserve one. All you gotta do is follow along. So I'm on my phone right here, and what you gotta type in is the username that's below. GU_Christopher. So type it with me. GU_Christopher. And you can go ahead, click on his account, and as you can see here, that's his feed, right? And then he has the posts he was tagged in, and also here are the Instagram filters that he has created. So he has a bunch here, as we can see. Oh, he has a zoom one, but we're actually looking for Guess the Gibberish filter. So what we gotta do is just click on it like this, and we can save it to our camera or remove it if we had it before to use it, you know, whenever we want, or just try it out right now. A friend was asking us for it, we can just click the share. So let's try it right here. Okay, I'm guessing care all bad skin. I don't know, I don't eat bats. Round 2, let's try to get a better one. Give me a good one. First you heard. Come on! Okay, so this is how you get it. And if you want to add it to TikTok, you just click on the save button right here. It's saved to your camera roll, and you can add it on TikTok if you want to use it for TikTok, or just share it so you get embarrassed in front of your friends. But now, at the end of this video, if you have any comment, you didn't manage to do anything, I respond to every single comment. So just comment down below, and I would love to actually help you out. Here is something even better. I can shout you out, and all you have to do is just comment your Instagram username down below, and at the end of one of the next videos in a week or so, you'll be shouted out and you can get some exposure rolling. And we got a bunch of shout out winners on this video. Before I was browsing on my computer, checking them in real time, but now I have a lot of people doing it. I'm trying to shout out everyone. So when I respond to comments, and as I said, I respond to all the comments, and I like to do it in the morning, I would screenshot the really nice comments that I found, or just shout out winners. Let's start with Aiden Type Beats, who says, hey, I found your channel yesterday and instantly fell in love. Do you have tips getting more views on rap beat videos, because I find it really hard to rank in the niche? I'm shouting this person out first because I want to help him get exposure, and second of all because I know there's more people in the music niche that are interested in hearing this, because I've been getting DMs about it on my Instagram. Hey Aiden, I'm so happy I can help. I think for the rap niche on YouTube, you can't really rely on search results. Browse and suggested is the way to go. Getting into a playlist, even better. Had a few music clients, and it's better to try to grow on Instagram and redirect the traffic on YouTube. Behind the scenes videos on your stories, your notes with your scripts, all of this can really make a big difference. And yeah, about the music niche, karaoke covers. If you really want to do it, this is the things that can get ranked. Then we have J2ORJU, who has a personal blog on Instagram, Secret Wanderer. I'm posting this again because I couldn't find my previous comment. Insta ID, the Secret Wanderer. Check him out. Thanks. Daniel.montoya01. By the way, you can also say what your Instagram account is about, so when someone sees the comment at the end of the video, he can the conversion rate from a person seeing this part of the video when learning about your Instagram account and following you will be slightly better when he understands what he's gonna get out of all of this, right? Then we have someone shouting out 3 people, but why not? Zero Tech, Lindsay Godfrey, and Wellness with Linz. Oh nice, she's really grinding here, and she also has 1 subscriber on YouTube, and like kudos to everyone that's trying to grow multiple Instagram accounts. Growing 1 Instagram account is pretty hard on its own, you feel me? Then we have ANUHIA Collections. Check her out. By the way, I'm really sorry if I pronounce your name wrong. Hey, super video, make money and websites. Then the Straight Path Official and Kexi GGSS. They're being shouted out a few more times. Insert Secret Wanderer. I found your comment. Here it is. You are the aesthetic. Hey, you said you'll reply to all comments. If you're watching this, type bruh. Haha. Nice. I can't wait till you hit 100k. I can't wait as well. And you can help me by clicking the subscribe button, because a video a day keeps the doctor away. This is not financial advice. This is definitely not medical advice. And by the end of this video, you should probably watch one of these videos. See you in the next one. Bye.